Keep pulling, guys. Joe Bob said it was light. Like only like real light. I don't know why you guys are struggling so much with this.
Very slowly pull the old Mustang engine down some ramps onto some sort of cart. The trick is going to be very ginger when I do this. All right, you guys ready?
Sure. I was legitimately worried just then.
Here we go.
It is.
Do I need to turn?
You're gonna want to come like to your left a little bit, I think, because those straps off center.
That's good. That's good.
Uh-oh.
Strap coming
You
loose?
have slack. There you go. You got some slack.
Let it pop, let it
All right, slow.
You guys need me to pull still or no?
Straighten out the cart before we go anymore. Here, you get on the bottom and I'll rock it. You make sure it doesn't fall forward.
I'm just going to stand far away.
Pull back the other way? Like have somebody stand on the other side of the trailer and pull back?
No, we're good. Just keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
Slow. You're gonna have to lift that on top of the wood.
That's the side. You like how I rock it?
All right, this is going to be the hard part.
Okay, pause. Mike, you gotta still hold it though.
Hold on, it broke. It's not jumping.
Okay, hold on. Pause.
Pause on.
For Mike, I couldn't handle it.
I knew I was gonna break.
We got a floor jack. We can floor it on.
Yeah.
Look at me playing in this crazy shit. Getting
This is
heated.
almost working.
Getting heated.
Pecky, what do you think? What do you think? Words from the pub?
So after this works, I think we should attach the strap to the trailer and just do a huge one tire fire in Grant's driveway.
I think so.
These pieces of wood out of the way. You got it? What is that gonna do?
This is ridiculous.
Here, hold on. You got the engine?
What are you talking about?
Trust me. My Haji ways will not fail us. See what I meant? See what I meant? Now it's gonna fall right into place. Okay.
Probably release the jack.
Are you sure?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Yeah, I'd release the
Lower
jack.
some of the jack, yeah.
Watch your feet move.
Okay. Hold that with me.
It's on!
Keep going. A little more.
A little more.
Okay.
All right, that's good. Now we gotta strap it.
Strap it to this
Just
engine
keep
now.
tension on it.
Okay.
Where's the other
Put the
strap?
e-brake on.
Yeah, just put your e-brake on. Come hang out with us.
We need to keep this from rolling though.
So we just get one of your straps from the truck or the fixed strap, whatever.
Right here,
This
right
one
behind you. Right behind you. Right behind you.
Well, then I'll take it for a tour
There's a strap right there. Grant.
Somebody get the damn
I'm
strap.
holding this thing in place. Door to neighborhood.
Just hug it from the top thing right here. The bulk of the. You don't want it to slip.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, you want it like right here. Well, and that should do big.
It's gonna fall on the Ranger.
GTI.
Hey, put it next to the other extra fender we have that hasn't been damaged. So if it damages it, we have the extra fender. Okay.
I can't believe we did that with editing.
Now pull it up the rest of the way.
now you can just roll it up.
No, you might as well pull it up the rest of the way.
I'll slingshot it, right?
I'll get ahead of Steve just right into the Ranger. All right, all clear?
Yeah.
fender time.
Need to go left.
What's going on? What's happening?
Harmonic balance there.
It's not for your engine.
I don't think
It's
he's
for
doing
scrap.
anything.
Right?
Keep going. You got some momentum. You need some momentum. There you go. Here, I'll get that. I'll get that. I'll get that.
Okay. Oh, the turbo still works.
For now.
Alright, we can lean in again.
You can smell that.
That's all the dead ice and shit that's living in the air box.
Ta-da!
Haji method.
That worked. There it is. Thank you, Mo.
Good job.
That was fun.
Good job, Mo.
Be careful.
Yeah, don't stay too close to it. Yeah.
Go to the hospital.
Crush your feet.
Spectro!
You know who's gonna be really happy about this new edition? Is Lisa.